What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. And today I'm gonna record a really brief video where I'm gonna cover only the most important key points of what's going on cryptocurrency and stock markets. So let's get started. At first guys, let's open Bitcoin chart and look at what is happening here right now. So several days ago I recorded an overview where I was telling you that we were in this range, and most likely all these ranges are broken out in the upwards direction. So, and for now guys, we can see Bitcoin going to the new local high. So the previous point was around $31,000, and now we can see it going to almost 31.5k, which is magnificent. So holders of Bitcoin, I really congratulate you if you haven't sold Bitcoins. So you're now in a great profit. By the way guys, let's measure the growth of Bitcoin from the very beginning of this year. So the holders of Bitcoin have already earned more than 100% on this movement. But the main problem guys is that this movement haven't received any corrections yet. So I still suppose that we might go down. Let's start actually from the bad news, and the bad news is that we're most likely to go in much deeper correction because we haven't seen anything yet. So we saw only tremendous increases, like these green candles or bars, these ones, and now there is this third set of these green bars, which is insane. So I still suppose that we might go in the correction up to $20,000. I don't believe that we will go lower, especially test these levels, because if you look at the history guys, we never go lower. So that was the moment when everyone wanted to sell their bitcoins and everyone didn't believe in its future at all. So I don't think that we will go lower than 16,000k. So, and the minimum levels that we might test are between 19,000 till $21,000. So, and now there is a good news. The next structure that might stop this growth, I would say this rocket, is between approximately between 38 and 45k. There is a really vague range, but guys, you might still get profits up to 27% from the current price, or if you bought Bitcoin somewhere here, it will be 160%. So it's really hard to say where it will go first. Actually, at first we might liquidate all the short positions and then go into correction. So I'm still waiting for it to decline. And guys, what do you think? Do you think that Bitcoin shows the most growth, or are there any more profitable investments? For those of you guys who watched one of my previous videos where I told you that I was entering a new position on Aptos, guys, I didn't catch this red candle, but when I saw a solid structure here, I started buying Aptos from these levels. And for now guys, you can see that I'm in profit around 26%. So, which is great. And there is a really slow, very tiny increase on Aptos, whereas on Bitcoin it looks much bigger. which means that you are most likely to earn on Aptos or other altcoins much more money than on Bitcoin. And that's fair because Bitcoin is really, really heavy. So I remember that I promised to make this overview as short as possible, so let's move on to S&P 500. So guys, one more time, I'm still not erasing this triangle. We can see that there was a tremendous breakout and now we're going into correction, which is normal. By the way guys, if you look at S&P 500 short liquidations, you can see that they started to decline. And this decline is tremendous. So the peak point was around 434k, and now it declined to 331k. And you can see how much faster the decrease is than increase. So people buy this and open all this short and long positions for a long time, and then they all get liquidated via cascade liquidations in just a matter of days or several weeks. It depends on the range, but it happens guys really, really quickly. So, and actually that's all for today guys. So I hope that you benefited from this overview and that you make adjust your strategy or just ponder on this a little bit. So thank you very much for watching this video. Give this video a like if you really like this video, or give it a dislike if you didn't like the content at all. So, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.